Every guy wants that thick, effortless, aesthetic hair. You see the trends, you grow it out, but then, reality hits. Suddenly your sink is full of fallen hair. Your shoulders are covered in dandruff. And your hair feels less like a viral TikTok edit and more like dry straw. Here's the brutal truth. You are likely destroying your hair before you even step out of the shower. You think you're cleaning it, but you're actually suffocating the roots. Today, we are fixing it. These are the 5 non-negotiable hair care steps to completely transform your hair from dead to elite. And if you skip even one of these, you might as well get comfortable with a buzz cut. Let's start with step 1, cleansing. But forget everything you think you know about washing your hair. First warning, your shampoo is not a miracle potion. It will not magically make your hair thicker, stronger, or give you instant volume. No matter what the marketing tells you, shampoo has one single job, cleaning. It's soap. Nothing else. But here is where 99% of guys ruin their hair. They rub the shampoo into their hair strands like they're trying to scrub a stain out of a carpet. Stop acting like an animal. Your hair strands don't need to be aggressively scrubbed, your scalp does. Daily pollution, sweat, and gym grime build up right at the root, suffocating your hair follicles. So how often should you do it? If you have a desk job and barely break a sweat, 2 to 3 times a week is your sweet spot. But if you hit the gym hard, travel through dusty streets, or have a naturally greasy scalp, you need to wash daily using a mild, sulfate-free shampoo. The fix: if your hair gets greasy instantly, look for chemical exfoliants like salicylic acid or tea tree oil. If you have severe dandruff, grab a shampoo with ketoconazole to kill the fungus causing the flakes. When you wash, use your fingertips to gently massage the scalp for a full 2 minutes. And for the love of God, never use hot water. Hot water strips every ounce of natural moisture, leaving your scalp inflamed and dry. Stick to cool or lukewarm water. Now that your scalp is completely clean, your hair is going to feel incredibly dry and stiff. Why? Because shampoo strips away your natural oils. That brings us to step 2, conditioning. This is where a huge number of guys get confused. Let's answer the ultimate question right now. Yes, you absolutely have to wash conditioner off. But here is the golden rule. Conditioner never touches your scalp. Your scalp already produces its own natural oils. Adding conditioner to the roots will just clog your pores and give you greasy, flat hair. Instead, once you finish shampooing, squeeze the excess water out of your hair so it's not dripping wet. Take a small amount of conditioner and apply it only to the middle and ends of your hair strands. Leave it in for 2 minutes to restore the softness and shine, and then rinse it out completely with cold water. And don't buy those cheap 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner gimmicks. They don't work. It's like trying to wash your car and wax it at the exact same time. Buy them separately. You're out of the shower. Your hair is clean, it's conditioned, and now you're about to commit the ultimate hair sin. Step 3, drying. What do most guys do? They grab a rough cotton bath towel and aggressively scrub their wet head like they're trying to start a fire. When your hair is wet, it is in its absolute weakest, most fragile state. Aggressive rubbing creates massive friction, snaps the hair strands, and literally yanks the roots right out of your scalp over time. If you want an effortless glow up before you hit college or start your career, stop using your body towel on your head. The pattern interrupt. Switch to a microfiber towel, or even an old, clean cotton t-shirt. Don't rub. Just pat, press, and let the material absorb the water naturally. If you use a hair dryer, keep it on the cool or normal setting. Just like hot water, blast your head with hot air, and you can say goodbye to volume and hello to severe heat damage. Once your hair is damp or dry, it's time to lock everything in. Step 4, oiling and styling. Now listen carefully, because what I'm about to say goes against everything your parents probably told you since you were a kid. Do not massage heavy oils directly into your scalp every day. Your head already has the highest concentration of oil glands on your entire body. It doesn't need a heavy layer of coconut or olive oil sitting on it for 24 hours, suffocating the follicles and trapping dirt. Instead, take literally 2 to 3 drops of a lightweight oil or hair serum, rub it between your palms, and apply it strictly to the outer strands of your hair. This creates a protective shield, locks in moisture, and eliminates frizz completely. If you love doing a deep scalp oil massage, do it only once a month, leave it in for an hour, and wash it out completely. Never leave heavy oil on your scalp overnight, especially if you are prone to acne or dandruff. And a quick warning for the guys who use styling wax, clays, or gels: make sure these products stay on the hair, not the skin of your scalp. More importantly, if you style your hair in the morning, you must wash it out before your head hits the pillow. Sleeping with styling products suffocates your scalp for 8 hours straight and guarantees premature hair fall. You can buy the most expensive shampoos, conditioners, and serums in the world, but if your internal nutrition is trash, your hair will be trash too. Your hair roots are fed by your bloodstream, not by the shower. Step 5, nutrition. Your hair is made up of 90% of a protein called keratin. If you are starving your body of protein, your body will literally stop sending resources to your hair to prioritize your vital organs. Fix your diet immediately. For strength, add high-quality proteins. Eat eggs, chicken, lentils, or soy chunks. For shine, you need healthy fats to keep the scalp naturally moisturized from the inside out. Eat almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds. For growth, fuel up on micronutrients. Vitamin A from carrots and spinach, vitamin C from citrus fruits, and a solid zinc or biotin source. Most importantly, drink your water to prevent a dry, dehydrated scalp, and fix your sleep. High stress releases cortisol, which literally shocks your hair follicles into a shedding phase. Hair care isn't complicated. It's just a game of eliminating the silent mistakes you've been making for years. Fix the way you wash, protect the strands, fuel your body, and the aura will follow. If you're ready to elevate your appearance and unlock your full potential, hit that subscribe button, join the Unflapaura community, and drop a comment below on which step you've been messing up. See you in the next video.
Hi!